Good morning, boys and girls. You saw on one of your music slides a little girl teaching you how to make a kazoo. Well, I got some of our friends together today for us to make a kazoo together, and it might be something you would enjoy doing at home. So I'm going to teach you how to make the kazoo. Miss Winnie is going to teach you how to decorate the kazoo, and Miss Banks is going to talk to you about how making projects can help reduce stress. So you need a cardboard tube, you need a rubber band, you need wax paper, and it's important, Miss Winnie taught me this, don't wrinkle your wax paper or it will not play like it's supposed to. So, and you need some scissors. So with your scissors, you're going to puncture a hole in your cardboard tube, and then you're going to very carefully cover the end of your tube, but do not cover the hole that you just made. That has to stay open. And use your rubber band to attach the paper and keep it from wrinkling. All right. And Miss Banks has a song that I think you all will recognize.
All right, let's see if you recognize this song.
Fill a bucket, I can hear
Fill a
it.
bucket.
Awesome, awesome.
I bet
Okay.
they're being bucket fillers while they're doing their remote learning.
Oh, I hope so too, because that makes you feel good as well as the person that you're filling their bucket. All right, Miss Winnie, what can we do to decorate?
To decorate our little kazoo, we can do lots of things. We can use markers and color our designs on our tube. We're not going to mess with our wax paper though. We can only decorate our tube. You can cut out cardstock or scrapbooking paper and make a design using paper scraps to glue on. Just don't cover up your little hole. You can use yarn and make it real fancy and drape it around there and glue that on. You can use staples to staple things on the top, but you can't staple them on the bottom because of the wax paper. You can even use our favorite glitter to decorate it, but it will take it a while to dry. So if you're using glue and glitter, make sure to give it a while to dry before you try to play it. And now we're going to decorate ours. We have even some tissue paper, markers, glue, scissors of course, and you can decorate it any way you want because it is yours. Just make sure not to cover up your little hole or to bother your wax paper.
Miss Banks, how can this help with stress?
Making art projects, gluing and cutting and just having fun can help relieve stress, help our feeling when we're feeling frustrated or worried.
We've all been feeling
You
stressed.
know what? Even when we make a mistake, it's okay. We learn from it.
Mine is having trouble. That's right.
Do it.
That's right. Mine was having trouble too, but I'm going to keep going, and we'll just work on it.
Practice makes perfect, and we learn from our mistakes.
That's right. Yeah, mine just came off too. It's so fun to do this with a friend too.
And our kazoos are a little different, just like each one of us. We're
That's
different.
right. And that's okay. There you go.
See, if you blow on it harder, I think it works.
It works better if you blow on it harder. Okay. That's a good point.
Not louder, but harder.
That's good. Oh, y'all are good musicians. so proud. You know, sometimes when you watch things on TV, it seems like it's perfect, but it's really not. They probably have to make more than one video. Nobody's perfect. We just try to do our best.
And we learn from our mistakes.
Exactly.
We learn what works and what doesn't.
Oh, that's so good, Miss Sonia. Oh, I love yours, Miss Swinny. You're
Can
such a
tell.
good artist.
You can tell who the art teacher is,
Yes,
for
you
sure.
can. Yes, you can.
Thanks, is definitely not mine.
Oh, they all look great.
But we're doing our best, Miss
Doing our
Banks.
best, and we're having fun.
And I'm learning from Miss Swinny because I'm looking over at hers. I'm like, that looks good. That's a great idea.
Sometimes it's not what we end up with, but what we enjoy and learn while we're working.
Okay.
Sometimes it's not the end product.
We have definitely had fun today. And it's definitely been a stress release.
I feel like
Y'all know what that is?
I think it's singing in the rain, but right now I'm scared.
I'm singing in the rain. It's gonna rain today. It's gonna rain a lot. Yours, Miss Banks. I love it. It's got hearts.
Hearts,
that's
love for
great.
babies.
I love it. Oh, that is so cute. You're welcome.
Makes noise. Sometimes making noise relieves pressure that's building up inside.
Yes, it does. So you can play your kazoos and feel much better.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Ferebee and Miss Swinny.
Thank you all.
thank you.
Oh, and it's important to share these.
Yes, don't
Yeah.
share
We
these.
share a lot, but we're not going to share a little music.
No. They're all different. And
Just
it's,
like us.
that's right. That's right. I hope you have a great time making your kazoos at home. We sure did here. See you next time. Miss Banks, you want to play a tune and see if we can guess it?
All right, I'm going to play a tune for you, Miss Ferebee.
Okay, I'm excited.
Okay, here we go. Sometimes, guys, you can have fun while you're making projects. It's okay to laugh at yourself.